Hi guys, today I will be doing a review on my Shark vacuum. It's behind me right there. I have been asked by a subscriber or by a person in the comment section that if I can do a review on it, and this is going to be my review. I'm just going to talk about it and tell you guys how I use it and stuff, and what comes with it and the cost of it. I bought it at, and where I bought it and everything like that. Well, I don't think I talk about where I bought it because I don't remember. But if I remember, I'll put it in the description box below. And see, if you guys would like to know a little mini review of this vacuum, just keep on watching. I like this vacuum a lot. I've had it for over 2 years and it's still working pretty nicely. It comes with all of these attachments. This one I believe is for like hardwood floors or maybe tile or something. I have never used this one yet. I kind of forgot I had it. This one I use it for the cars. And that one I use it for like the crevices because it has like a slanted pointy tip. And then this attachment, you attach it to the hose and you can do like your keyboard. See, this is pretty soft. And then it has this little attachments as well, very tiny ones. Just to clean wherever you feel like it needs to be cleaned. Anyway, so this is the vacuum right here. Let me show you. So here is the vacuum. And it is a pretty good size, as you can see right here. And you just push on the pedal. It even has a push step right there to put it down, and then it swivels. I don't know if you can see, but it swivels from side to side. That way it's easier to maneuver. Let me point the camera more towards the vacuum right there. Okay, so let me show you again. Push it and then it swivels. See? Turns. It's pretty nice. And the way that you clean it, right now it's dirty because I used it. But it has several ways of cleaning it. It lifts up right here, and that's how you clean this chamber right here. You just press right here and this opens completely and all of the dirt and everything comes out of it. Or you can clean it from the top as well. You press this side and you clean it. See, it accumulates a bunch of stuff in here. I have to clean it, so I'm not even gonna do that right now because I don't have a trash can near me. And here's the filter. You're gonna clean that or wash it. It's actually pretty helpful. So you put it, and then you can also convert it. You just press the wand and the wand lifts up. That way you can have your attachment on it. Let's say you want to do your blinds or something like that, you use this. or whatever you want actually. But you can use this, and it's pretty long, pretty easy to take. I like to do my baseboards with this and everything. And it also, so you just put it there. Also, I was thinking this one is attached to here. I got my shirt. There we go. And this is how you use it for. See, it says carpet right here, or it says bare floor. So you put it on this side, and it's bare floor. And what it does, it pushes this. These are like little brooms right here. Little brooms right here, so it sweeps it for you. This is like felt or something, and it picks up the dust. I think it's a pretty awesome vacuum. So far, I haven't had any problems with it. And also, you can turn it on and you can power it. Well, it's not plugged in, but you can power it, and you have the choice to leave this on, which is a brush, the one that vacuums the carpet, or leave it off just by pressing this button over here, just so that you can use this one, and this won't be going on like other vacuums do. So guys, this is the vacuum that I have, and it's called the Shark, and it is called the Shark Rotator, and it's the red one. And this one was $200. Like I said, we bought it almost more than 2 years ago, so it might be a little cheaper now, or there might be a newer version. But this is the one that I have, and this is the one that I really like so far, and I feel that I'm gonna keep it for a long time because it's a really good vacuum. See, you can use it like that. It even has a picture here of how to use it. You can use it with this following you, and you can, this is floors, hardwood floors. You can sweep your hardwood floors, and you can use it also as a handle, and it lifts up so that it's not in this part is not attached to this. If you lift it up, that way you can just take it with you. So it's pretty cool. And it says that it never loses suction. Well, so far I've had it for over 2 years, and that has proven to be true so far. So I believe this is a very good vacuum to have. Well guys, that was my mini review on my Shark vacuum. If you guys have any questions, just leave them in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye guys.